This dog just unlocked peak laziness. These parents zip their baby into a hoodie attached to a rolling suitcase. This lady is getting ready while surfing.
The Taylor Swift don't have no pants?
Well, at the show, she was wearing a one-piece. Yeah.
This child has questions about Taylor Swift's wardrobe.
And what does he do with her pants?
This man is happy to be in the military.
They told me to join the Marines. They told me, join the Army. You're gonna be a soldier. I joined the Air Force.
He shows a dog copies the nearby ambulance. This woman at a senior center enjoys dancing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.